Oscar on a Saturday morning. Remember the cartoons, Muppets? Well, we have Oscar now. Crazy tropics, right? We got two things out there. Nadine formed overnight. Pretty big ball of convection. And Oscar's made its way across the Atlantic. Had to look the whole time, and guess what? It's now named. So two systems that close to the lower 48, but they're going different directions here. Nadine's doing that west track. Big ball of tropical storm force winds, though, in Belize and Yucatan. Latest spaghetti models on tropicaltidbits.com showing you that west motion into the Pacific. And then we got Oscar. Oscar came out of nowhere today. It's going to actually affect the weather of the Turks and Caicos a little bit in the southeast Bahamas and Cuba before it turns back to the northeast. Something maybe for Bermuda to watch, but that's about it. Here's the latest models on Oscar. So what's causing this like force field around the lower 48 in Florida, right? Well, we got a huge high pressure area. Those big H's, that's a dome. That's like a big blocking pattern that these systems cannot penetrate. And we got big winds. Look at that East Coast, man. We got 30, 40 mile an hour winds, South Florida across the Keys, going through that whole Gulf of Mexico, even into Texas. Strong winds with this high pressure system, if you're wondering why it's so windy. And steering here, Oscar is going to feel a little bit of a weakness here in turn with this front coming in with the high pressure pushing Nadine to the west. Crazy.